A check of Polon's phone records reveals that on the day Annie was murdered, he placed several calls to his ex-wife.
We felt that the ex-wife had, at a minimum, knowledge about Annie's disappearance.
All right, class.
Eddie, I just remembered. I did take the pill.
Bob, Stan, you're fired. What are you, a cop? That is not true. To her, it's not about choosing a career. It's about choosing a life. Julie, I think you have the wrong house. Are you okay? What happened?
Who are you again?
I'm Patricia. Are you okay? Do you need help?
Have I lost it?
It's not you. You'll be okay. Do you want me to call someone? Something wrong, dear?
Tricia?
Who?
Goofy cannot be leashed. He is a member of this family and will do whatever he pleases.
You overturned garbage cans. You uprooted flower beds. And whatever that smell was.
But they know we never liked that. Poor thing. It's them! They know. Don't answer it. No, Ron, don't.
You need to see a human figure. You have to take the road. Oh.